Ooh, I'm looking for a baby I can slide on. Girl, you know it's you, I got my eyes on. We be going good till the morning light. Cause at night I don't even want the lights on. Girl, you look like something I might bite on. Won't you hop up in the wheel, let's take a ride? How would you like the feeling if I made you mine? I've been really thinking, girl, you know I like you.
Hi everybody, welcome to my channel and this video. My name is Tasha, but you can just call me Tay Tay. And in today's video, I am doing the makeup look that you see here. You guys, I am so happy, so very happy of the way it came out. I just think it's so pretty. And it actually made me like my hair even more because this is a new wig and I am adjusting to it because it's like something different than something I normally get. But with this makeup look and this hair, I am falling in love. So yeah, you guys, I'm not going to talk too much. I'm going to go ahead and let you watch the video. I don't really do many makeup videos, so forgive me if it's a little boring or I'm going a little fast or I missed something. Again, the more I do it, the better I'll get at it. Thank you guys so much again for clicking on my video. Enjoy it, and yeah. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and get into doing my makeup. And that is why I have you so up close and personal, because I want to do my makeup and I want you guys to see what I am doing. So I decided to do a gold look. I'm going to try my best. I'm not a professional when it comes to makeup, but I really like it. You know, practice makes perfect. So I thought, you know, why not do a video? I'm going to try it anyway, you know. And you can see me fail or pass. So I decided to use this gold one right here. It is it's called like Eye Color Freeze. I got it from the Wish app, and I'm going to use this gold one. I do also, however, have a blue one, which is also really pretty. But what I'm wearing, I feel like the gold one will go better. But this is like how it kind of looks. Like, gotta be careful not to drop it. Can you see that? Can you see that? I don't want to drop it. I'm nervous. My heart beating fast when I do that. I'm going to show you guys the gold one. See, the blue one is more watery. The gold one is more thick. I don't know why. Before I do my eyes, I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows. But first, I'm going to prime my face. I'm using the Huda Beauty Primer. I'm going to prime my face so that can sit while I'm doing my eyebrows. So yeah, I'll be right back after I'm finished with my eyebrows. Alright, so I am now done with the eyebrows. It is not my best work, but it's definitely not the worst. So the only thing I used was a eyebrow pencil, a spoolie, and the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. I'm going to use that same concealer to do that. You guys, like, I don't know what to talk about. I really don't. But I do know that, you guys, I love makeup, and I've been watching YouTube videos for the last 2 days, all day long, watching makeup videos. I just love it so much. I hope you guys like this video that I'm doing. Oh, I'm using this buffing concealer brush from the brand Sonia Kashuk. I actually like the way it worked last time. It actually did pretty good, so I'm going to use it again. It does take longer, I feel like, to blend out than using the beauty blender, but I still like the way it works. It still works pretty darn good if you ask me. So I've been watching YouTube videos for the last 2 days, and it has really been inspiring me. And I really need to start making videos again. Like, I want to post at least 3 times a week so I can build my channel and everything, because I think it's been doing really good. To me anyway, I think my channel has been doing really good. But for the last 2 weeks, I've been out of sick, in the hospital. A whole bunch of other life things have been going on, so I haven't been able to post like I used to. But I'm gonna try to go ahead and get back into the groove, at least posting twice a week. I already posted yesterday, which was Monday. It was like a review / after work routine. If you haven't watched that, I will link it somewhere up here and also in the description, so you guys can check that out. I really worked hard on it, and I would appreciate it if you watch it. And yeah, so that is what I'm trying to do. Alright, so I went ahead and blended that out with my brush, and I'm going to take my beauty blender just to go over that. And I'm going to use this AirSpun loose face powder in the color Tranlucent. I got this, and I tried to use it once, but it didn't turn out so good. But I really wasn't putting my 100% into it, so I'm going to try it again. And I'm using this Sonia Kashuk blending brush just to put that all over my lid. Okay, that's all set. It is so hot in here. When I film, I have to turn off the AC because you guys will hear it. It's no ifs, ands, and buts about it. So I'll turn off when I film and I'll freaking burn it up, bro. Alright, now that the eyes are all set, I'm going to go ahead and start doing on my eyeshadow. I'm going to go ahead and go into my Tease Me palette. It's a shade here that I want to try. Right here, it says Pleasure. So I'm going to go ahead and use that eyeshadow actually to go on my crease. Y'all look at that. I wonder if y'all can see that. Y'all see? Do y'all see that? All that dust? That's crazy. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. Oh my gosh, that is nice. That is pretty. I'm trying to think, like, as I'm doing this, I'm trying to see. I hope this go good with the gold, because gold is like my lid color. So I don't know if I'm thinking too much into it, but I just really hope it turns out good, you guys. Oh, and I got a new wig. Like, I'm not sure how I'm feeling about it. I don't know if I like it. It's like, I don't know. Every time I get a new hairstyle, wig, weave, sew in, glue in, don't matter. Every time I get a new one, I always feel kind of subconscious about it. Because I'm not sure if it's like me, but then it ended up having to grow on me. But this one, I don't know. I never really had short and curly before, so it's like, you know what I think it is? I think it's because of the color. It's like black and blue. So yeah, I don't know. I'm going to show you guys how I look after I do my makeup look, and you guys can tell me if you think it's a hit or miss, but I'm a little nervous about it. I'm going to wear it anyway because I spent my money on it, and I'm going to make it work, but I don't know if it's me. Alright guys, so that is really pretty. So I like the way that turned out. So I'm going to go back into the Athena palette, and I'm going to take, let me see. I think I'm going to take this color here. Oops. I'm going to take this color here. It's called Heroic. I'm going to go in like directly inside of my crease with it. And so I'm going to dig inside of that color. Get some of that excess off. And I'm going to like go right into my crease. Let's see. Oh, and this is another like Sonia Kashuk blending brush. But it's like the more expensive ones. What did I do? Oh no! Freak! Okay. Just give me a minute. Let me try to fix this. Oh my gosh. Alright guys, I think I kind of fixed it. I hope I did. It looks okay. Alright guys, so I'm going to take either, I think I'm going to take this one. I think it said, yeah, this one that says Cunning or maybe Fierce. And that's going to be like my base. Dig right into that and saturate my brush on both sides. That's pretty pretty. Y'all see that? That's so pretty. It turned out a different color than I expect. I thought I'd see more gold, but it's coming out like a pinky goldy. Alright guys, so this is what I have so far. I kid you not. This is this is so pretty. I think it turned out so pretty. I mean, like, you can stop here, you know, do a little blending and, you know, eyeliner, lashes, finish your face, yada yada. You could, right? But I'm not, because like I said, I really did this to try the gold. I really thought that eyeshadow would have been more gold, but I was wrong. Like, I'm not mad at it though. Like, this would be a look for like a different day. So I'm actually going to take that same brush that I used to put down my base, and I'm going to dig into that color, get some on the brush. It's already wet, so you don't need to spray your brush. I'm just going to add that on top. Now, this is the moment of truth where I either fuck up my makeup or I make it better, or we shall see. So, let's go ahead and get... Oh, it's so pretty already. Okay. Let me stop. Okay. Y'all, I'm so nervous. Okay. Oh, Okay. 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 Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm still nervous. I won't not be nervous until I'm done. That is so pretty. Okay. Alright guys, so I did place that gold and this is how it looks. I'm not gonna lie, on this eye it did kind of move the eyeshadow underneath, I kind of rubbed instead of just, you know, gently placing it. But you know, what can you do? I want to go ahead and blend it a little more. So I'm going to take my first blending brush. I'm going to go into that second color I added to my crease. I'm going to go into that one just a little bit, just to blend it out a little more. I'm just going to take this makeup wipe and I'm just going to clean up like the outside of my eye just a little bit. Now before I do like eyeliner and lashes and stuff, I'm going to go ahead and do my face. As y'all see, I already primed my face with the Huda Beauty primer, and I'm going to go ahead and color correct. I'm just going to use this orange color corrector from LA Girl. It's like the orange corrector. I'm just going to put that underneath my eyeball, over my lip, a little on my chin. What is that? Why am I red here? Anyways, on like those little pimples and stuff I got on my forehead. Everything that's dark, you want to add this to. Using a damp beauty blender, I'm just going to blend that out. So I'm just going to use my NYX Total Control Foundation in the color 17 and my Sonia Kashuk foundation brush. And I'm going to go ahead and skip over that part because just be putting this on my face.
Hey, won't you hop up in the wheel, let's take a ride? How would you like the feeling if I made you mine? I've been really thinking, girl, you know I like you. Oh, think I wanna wife you. Oh, think I might invite you over. Ooh, I've been really thinking like I like you. Oh, think I wanna wife you. Oh, think I might invite you over. Ooh,
Purchase your tracks today.
Ooh, you all on me. No, so cool that I might freeze. And baby,
Foundation done, and now I'm going to take the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and the AirSpun Semi Palette to do my highlight.
next though, she put my music on coming out on them headphones. Ooh, let me think on my decision. I ain't think about losing, cause I know that I'm a winner. You just want me to prove it, I don't think you understand it. No, I don't think you understand it. It's time to get groovy, I'ma get you out the pennies. Making clothes like a movie, we can save it when we finish. She just like a smoothie, foreign beer, I think she's finished. I'm in the module like a dentist. Ooh, I'm looking for a baby I can slide on. Girl, you know it's you, I got my eyes on. We be going good till the morning light. Cause at night I don't even want the lights on. Girl, you look like something I might bite on. Won't you hop up in the wheel, let's take a ride? How would you like the feeling if I made you mine? I've been really
Alright guys, so I just wanted to jump in really quickly. So I did my foundation, did my concealer, and I'm setting it. Now I did use again the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. It's okay, cause usually normally I use my Tarte Shape Tape and it cannot compare. It's like it's not as good. It's okay, not as good. The AirSpun powder, I like it. The only thing I'll say I don't like about it is it has a smell. And it's not that the smell stinks, it just reminds me like Christmassy type of smell. And I'm not really a fan of like the ginger and the pine trees and like that Christmassy type of smell, if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, I just wanted to jump in and say that really quickly. But overall, it looks like it's doing a pretty good job. Now I'm just contouring with my Black Radiance medium to dark contour palette. And I'm using the color Scope to do that really quickly. And as far as don't worry, I did not break anything, I promise. Now once I wipe off the bake, I'm going to use this Total Mineral, the Ruby Kiss and Mineral Powder in the color Caramel. I'm going to use that to wipe off my bake and to set the rest of my face. And I'm going to use a big old fluffy brush. So fluffy brush, I'm just going to put that all in there. And I'm going to wipe this bake off. And let me just get rid of this one, I guess. I'm going to wipe off this one. Ooh. See, it did really good, like, but, oh, it's kind of white. It's supposed to be, like, translucent, but, my Lord Mercy A, that is my baby. Now I'm gonna contour. I'm using this angle brush and the contour color, the darkest color in that Black Radiance palette to contour. First spray, I'm using my Badescu facial spray to do my first spray. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, eyelashes, and highlight, and then I'll be back with the finished look. Alright guys, really quickly, I want to show you the lashes I'm putting on. They are the Lash Contour, the 5th annual collection by the brand Kiss. And this is how they look, you guys. They are super, super pretty. They are made with the finest source of silk, as they say. And I just really wanted to show you guys how they look inside the packaging. They are so pretty. So I'm going to use these ones. And they are called Opulence. I believe that's how it's pronounced. It's right down there. So yeah, you guys. And they like bold. I think they match just look so good. So I'm going to go ahead and pop those on. Hey you guys, welcome back. Alright guys, so as you can see, I did my eyeliner, my highlight, lashes, and everything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish up my face. So I forgot to totally put some eyeshadow underneath my, like on the bottom lash line. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. So I just have this little angled brush here. Those two shades I use on my eyes, I'm just going to mix them together. I'm going to put that at the bottom. Ah! I noticed though, when I was doing my makeup, that I don't have any eyeliner. Like, none whatsoever. Like, that's not crazy. Got like one lip liner. And no eyeliners. That's crazy. And using my Too Faced Badescu mascara, I'm gonna mascara the bottom lashes. I already did my final spray off camera, but I'm gonna spray one time just cause. Why did I open my mouth? Ugh. Oh, I forgot to do something on my lips. Oh, I forgot. Okay. So I do have a baby wipe here already ready to go. So let me just wipe off my lips. All these different colors. I love this color. It's like a Sephora, the little Sephora lippies. I got it when I again, if you see my makeup haul, you'll see where I got it from. But this is in the color 41, and I love the way this color looked the last time I put it on. So I'm just gonna use this one. Alright guys, so I did put a little purple in the middle. I just thought I needed a little more color when it came to the lips. So yeah, so that is the lip color I chose. And yeah, so let me take this ponytail out and I'll come back with my goodbye. Alright guys, so this is the finished look with my hair down, everything. I actually like my hair better now that my makeup all done and everything. I just feel so cute. For me, I guess not being the best at makeup to myself, I feel like I did pretty good. I'm so proud at the way it turned out. I think it's so pretty. The eyes came out cute. The face came out cute. The lips came out cute. And yeah, I'm so happy. I really like it. So you guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I very much appreciate it. And again, tell me what you think about this hair. Tell me how you feel about this hair. Is it me? Am I rocking it? Am I doing okay? Okay, leave that in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. And yeah, I'll see you guys next time.